All right, we're going to record a screencast here to show you guys how to quickly find an article from the 1920s using JSTOR. So, library resources from the CSE homepage, JSTOR from there, advanced search from the next page along the thing. Here we're going to put in early man, and we're going to put discovery. Oh, it's right there. All right, we're going to try that. Then we're going to go down. By the way, JSTOR stands for journal storage. It's a digital journal storage thing. We're just going to click from 1950 to 1959. If at any point you're told bonus points if you can find an article, a scholarly article from the 1950s, published in the 1950s, then that's what you do. You go to JSTOR, you limit your publication by that time period, you put in some search terms, don't add a search box, just click on search, and bingo, bango, bongo, you get some stuff. Early man in Africa. We don't care about Africa in this course. The logic of discovery, no, no, no. All right, so discovery gets us a whole, early man in the Arctic. Let's look at that real quick. If you click on this thing, it'll bring up a web version. All right, this comes from Scientific American. Web version of the Arctic. The similarity of stone tools found at many locations around the North Pole suggests that a well-defined culture existed long before man migrated southward in America. Does this tell us something about early movement? Certainly does. All right, so this could be an article. How long did that take me? I'm not sure. When I end the search, I'll tell you. Okay, so go back out. If you want to read the whole thing, you can download the PDF. And this is really cool. It'll pop it up, and then just like that, you get the whole thing. You got the maps, you got everything, you got the ads. Whoa, what's that ad? That's cool. 1950s ad. Yeah. So anyway, that's pretty neat. But what do you have to do? You have to, all right, now I got to go back to JSTOR. That opened up in a new field. If you wanted to tweet this one, which you could, you might tweet that screen. You might tweet that screen, right? You could use this web address. It's pretty clunky. Or if you go back out, whoops, hold on, let's go back in. Sorry. All right, right here. Stable URL. Whoops, not right there. That's the web address you should use. It's the JSTOR stable, not this crazy search thing up here. But if you click on this, it'll always bring up this article. Okay, that's the end of my thing. Bye-bye.